Shakespeare Regional Park. We are heading down towards the waterfall. इतना ढेर क्राउड है हम के कि एक फ्रेम में सब कौन कैप्चर नहीं हो पाए. Beautiful trail to the waterfall. Eel.
बड़का बाम है.
Hi.
Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we are at
Shakespeare Regional Park.
and we are hiking up the mountains and it's really beautiful and calm and nature.
It's a nice view, really calm environment.
And the rivers are very nice.
You can hear natural sounds of birds.
And we're hiking up the mountain really quick and we're gonna come back soon. Okay, bye. Hi guys.
Which place is this?
Shakespeare Park. This is the manuka flower and manuka tree. Beautiful manuka plant. These kids did a long walk. So we did this heritage trail walk for about 35 to 40 minutes from the car park through the bush over the valley, and we came up on top here where we have 360 view of Auckland and we can see the sky tower from here. What a beautiful spot. There's beaches all around us, and the kids also did a nice walk. It was long but so worth it. And there's a lookout point here right on top. So we did the nature walk trail and we are at the lookout with such amazing views. And we came from the Shakespeare Park and this is the 360 view. What a gorgeous, picturesque moment. सुंदर सुंदर हवा चले ठंडा ठंडा और ये हम लोग के फैमिली है. Now we are going back to where we started, downhill. It's a little bit downhill and beautiful nature's walk. Here's the waterfall. That ends our nature trail here at Shakespeare Park. It was such a beautiful trail, 30-35 minute walk up to the lookout and 25 to 30 minutes back. It was awesome. Kids had fun and we had a nice walk. So there's a cleaning station here at the entrance and at the end of the park as well, where we have to clean our shoes before entering the park. And this is to protect the native trees and forest and protect the Kori plantation and nice vegetation. So we have to clean our shoes before entering and leaving the park. And this is how it's made. And we spray and then disinfect and go through this.
And we're back and we ended the hike.
How was it, Grisha?
It was pretty good, but my legs are starting to hurt.
Oh, but it was nice in the forest, eh?
Yeah.
You had fun? Yeah, I think we did quite a lot of steps today.
Your Majesty, your door has been opened.
Thank you. So we go through this.
And we've done 8,890 steps.
Nice.
Come inside. Come do the grand reveal. Bye guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching and meet you at the next one.
That's it.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. And also subscribe to Ninja_Kill198. Peace.
Peace.